Hello, Anne.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
All right. Sorry you waited for a few minutes because my Zoom is not working, so I have to fix it first. All right. Well, anyway, so okay, how are you tonight, Anne?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, very good. So tonight we are having an activity to do for tonight. So let's begin. Are you ready, Anne?
I am ready.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so for tonight, we are having speaking activity. Okay, and first question, tell me about your family.
Um, um,
Mm-hmm.
mm, um,
Mm-hmm. Tell me something about your family.
um, mm, mm,
You start first with your parents. What can you say about your parents?
um, my family, um, my family have 6 members.
Mm-hmm. Who are
Um,
they?
mm,
Who are the who are the 6 people in your family?
um, my mom, my
Mm-hmm.
dad, um, my older sister, me, my my grand, my my grandma and my younger sister.
Okay. So, how many sisters do you have?
2.
How about brothers?
I don't have brothers.
You don't have brothers? Okay,
Yeah.
so all of you are sisters. Okay, that's nice. So now, how do you go to school, Anne?
Um. Um. My dad drives me to school.
Okay, very good. So how about your other sisters? Do you go to the same
Um.
school?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you go to school at the same time?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, do you like traveling by train, Anne?
Yes.
Oh, why? Why do you like traveling by train?
Mm, mm,
Why? Why do you like traveling by train?
I just like it.
You just like it. Okay, but how about riding a bus? Do you like it also?
Um, no, because it is so noisy.
Yeah, it's noisy and it gets and it what do you call this one? It makes you feel tired when you ride the bus, right? It's not
Yeah.
comfortable. Unlike when you ride a train or when you ride a car, okay? Next
Okay.
one, and look at the picture and find the difference between them.
Um. In the
What can you
picture
see?
one, there's a moon um on the sky, but in the picture two, um, there are no moon in the sky.
There's no moon in the sky. What
Um,
else?
in the picture one, the clock is um, 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 it is above the picture of an apple. But in the picture two, the clock is under the apple.
Okay, very good. What else?
Um, in the picture one, the clock is blue, but in the picture two, it is yellow.
It's yellow. What else?
In the picture one, the shop is uh, the shop is um, the shop have many people inside, but in the picture two, there is just a man outside.
Okay.
Um, in the picture two, um, in the picture one, um, the woman is put on, the woman is put on the coat, but in the picture too, she is put off. Hmm. Um, in the picture too, the hat is on on the suitcase, but in the picture too, it is next to the suitcase.
It's next to the suitcase. Okay. Next one.
Mm, in the picture one, mm, the cardboard outside the shop is have a lot of books, but in the picture too, um, there are drinks in the cupboard.
There are trees. There are.
Mm, um, mm,
What else aside from that?
um, in the picture one, the girl is carry
Carrying.
is carry um, um, a bird, but in the picture too, she's carrying an elephant.
Okay. Do you have anything more?
In the picture one, two birds are flying is blue or is blue, but in the picture two, they are green.
They are green. Okay. There's more?
Um, in the picture one, the man with a blue shirt is carry um carry
Carrying.
milk. But in the picture too, he is carry a hot dog.
Carrying a
Hot dog.
hot dog. Okay. There's more?
In the picture one, the man with a gray coat is carry an umbrella. But in the picture too, he is carrying a book.
Okay, he's carrying a book. Okay, what else? Do you see anything more? Do you see anything else?
No.
Okay, so let's see if that is the answer. Okay, so you said it right. The clock and the apple. Next is the man. Next is the shell or the cupboard. Next are the birds. The woman with the luggage. The train. And then there's a moon. Okay, you're correct. Okay, very good. All your answers are correct. Okay, so now, Anne, can you read what is on the screen, please?
This is Anne and Bill. They live in the same street. I don't know anything about Anne's house, but you do. So I'm going to ask you some questions.
Okay. So now, let's have this one. Okay, so here, look at the picture, all right? Number one, is Bill's house old or new, Anne?
Bill's house is new. Bill's house.
Again. You
Oh,
you look here.
Bill's house is old.
Okay, number two, what color is his house?
The color of his house is red and white.
Okay, red and white. How many windows are there in Bill's house?
There are 10 windows in Bill's house.
Okay, now, has it got a garden?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
It has.
All right, now, where is Bill's house near?
His house is near the station.
Okay, near the station. Very good. So now look at the picture, and it says here, these pictures tell a story. It's called The Picnic. Just look at the pictures first. John and Sally and their parents are getting into their car. They're going to have a picnic. Now you tell the story. Okay. So number one, that is the story, right? They are preparing and then they're going to a picnic. So number two picture, Anne, can you tell me a story about it?
Okay. Um, um,
Now what? Tell me a story about the second picture.
um, and they are arrived the um where's um um mm, that is prepare some food. Um, mom is sleeping.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
So how about picture number three? What can you say about it?
when they are enjoy the picnic, there are two bears a pair.
Mm-hmm. Next, number four picture.
The dad is so scared that he climbed on the tree.
Mm-hmm.
Um, um, the children gave the bears some bananas.
Okay. Next one. Is that all?
Um, um, the dad um, mm, the dad looked down.
Okay, is that all?
I think so.
Okay. So here, let's see the suggestion. So here, the family have arrived in the country. The father is putting the picnic on the grass. The mother is sleeping in the sun. A bear is watching the family. He's saying to the baby bear, come and eat. The father is afraid. He's climbing a tree. The children aren't afraid. They're giving the bear some bananas. Okay, so this is like what you have answered a while ago, right? So this is just the same as your answer. So you're very good with this part. Okay, so we're finished with the first part. And okay, now I will open one more. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, okay. Okay, here and
What?
all right, wait for me. It's still opening. Okay, so here, we're going to talk about fun events, okay? So in the first part, we have here, enjoying arts. So let's see, warm up, choose and write the sentences, complete the story. All right, so the story is about the rap concert, okay? So you're going to choose your answer from the two sentences above. Okay, start reading the story now and
the rap concert. We all went to a concert last Friday. It was a rap music concert. It was at the Arts Center. The students made their own rap music. They sang rap music very well. I laughed, Finn and I very excited. We like rap music very much. My mom and dad like classical music. They still have fun.
Okay, very good. So it's a rap music concert and we like rap music very much. Okay, good job. So you got 2 points here. Next one. Okay, let's have this activity. It says here, warm up, read and match. Okay, so number 1. Can you read it and then say your answer? Number 1.
Cody and his family went to a concert.
A concert. Okay, next.
Cody likes rap music very much.
Okay, next.
Everyone had a good time.
Everyone had a good time. Okay, very good. This is very easy. Okay, 3 points and good job. Okay, now let's have vocabulary. All right, can you read the words, please? What's the first word or first picture?
Exhibition.
Exhibition. Okay, very good. Next one.
Musical.
Musical. Okay. So what do you think what do you mean by exhibition? Anne, can you tell me? Do you have any idea?
I don't know.
Okay, exhibition. This is a place where you can see a lot of arts or paintings or sculptures, okay? So in English, we call it a gallery or exhibit. Okay, gallery or exhibit. So the next one is musical. So what do you do in a musical, Anne? What do you mean by musical?
I don't have any idea.
Okay, musical, that is like a show or a program where a lot of people are performing. Some are singing, some are dancing, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So have you ever tried watching a musical, and
No.
all right. In here in the Philippines, you know what? Some schools here, we often do that. Okay. Example, that is a project that we have to do in a certain subject. Okay, next one, and what is this?
Play.
Play. So what do you mean by play, Anne?
Um, mm,
What? So a play, this is like a role playing, okay?
okay.
Some persons wear costumes and they act. They are like actors, okay? And next one is a concert. So what is a concert? And
Um,
what is a concert? Do you have an idea, Anne?
no.
Okay, so here, a concert, this is like musical, okay?
Okay.
So you can, there is a band or a person or a singer performing in a specific place, like in a shopping mall or in a stadium. They are performing. Okay, so Ren, let's have an activity right here. Word practice. Choose and write the correct word. Okay. Number one, and what is this one?
Um, um, mm, um,
Exhibition, musical, play, or concert.
it is play.
Okay. So number two, and what is this? Number two picture.
Um, 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 picture 3.
Again.
Um,
Picture two, what's picture two?
Picture 2 is play.
No. Picture 1 is play. How about picture 2?
Picture 2 is
What do you call that place? It has a lot of paintings.
it is a exhibition.
Exhibition, okay, correct. Number 3, what's this?
Musical.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay, that is a concert. And last one is?
Musical.
All right, that is a musical. Very good. All right, so read the sentences. And number 1, we saw
a school play.
Okay, we saw a school play. Next.
There was an art exhibition at school.
All right, exhibition. Can you say it one more time? Exhibition.
Exhibition.
Okay, number 3.
We went to a piano concert.
Okay, last one.
They went to see a musical.
They went to see a musical. Very good. So you got 3 points here and okay, 3 points. Next one, let's answer this activity. Part 2, word practice. Okay, wait a minute. All right, can you read the following words, Anne, please?
Dance. Enjoy.
Okay, continue.
Perform. Great.
Next.
Very well.
And?
Very much.
Okay. Dance, enjoy, perform, great, very well, and very much. Okay, so now, Anne, let's have this activity, word practice. Choose and complete the sentences and discuss your choices. So you're going to choose your words here, okay? Enjoyed, danced, performed, great, very well, and very much. Okay, number 1, Anne, read and answer.
The art exhibition
the art exhibition
was was great. They drew wonderful pictures.
Okay, very good. Was great. Number 2.
The school play was fun. They danced very well.
They Okay, they performed. Okay, number 3 and
The musical was exciting. They sang and danced beautifully.
they sang and danced beautifully. Very good. Number 4.
The piano concert was wonderful. She played the piano very well.
She played the piano very well. Number 5.
Everyone liked the school play very much.
Very much. And last one, number 6.
The concert was good. We enjoyed it very much.
We enjoyed it very much. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You got 5 points. That's good. All right, so what's this? Okay, this is grammar practice. So let's skip this one. So now, you have to choose the correct, no. You have to rearrange the words and so that you can form a sentence, okay? So number 1.
We like movie very much.
We like movie very much, okay? Next.
They sang loudly.
They sang loudly, okay? Correct. Next.
My grandma walks slowly.
My grandma walks slowly. Next one, number 4.
He ate ice cream very fast.
He ate ice cream very fast. Next one.
I enjoyed the concert very much.
I enjoyed the concert very much. And last one is?
My mom can sing very well.
My mom can sing very well. Good job. 6 points for you. Okay, now, grammar practice. Check the mistake and correct it. So number 1N. Do you think the sentence is correct?
No.
Okay, so what is the correct sentence for that?
We went to a concert.
We went to a concert. Okay, next.
Number 2. It is not correct.
Okay, so what is the correct sentence or word?
See, change to saw, and movie change to movie.
You say
see.
we're going to change the word move into movie. Right? Is that your answer?
I changed see to saw.
Okay. I saw a movie yesterday. Very good. Number 3, and?
It is not correct.
Okay, so what is the correct word?
It was exciting.
It was exciting. Very good. Number 4. What
This
word?
sentence is not have changed to had.
Okay. They have changed to had. Okay. They had fun yesterday. Number 5.
Go change to go change to are going.
Go to change. Will go to or are going. We are going to the zoo tomorrow. Okay, that's also correct. And number 6.
Good change to well.
Good change to
well.
Okay, they can sing very well. And last one.
I like music very much.
I like music
very much.
Very much music or music very much. Okay, very good. So the words are only scrambled. Good job, Anne. You got a perfect score. That's nice. Okay, so here, let's try this one. Choose and complete the chart. So example number 1. My family went to a concert last Sunday. Okay, do you understand what to do here?
Okay.
So let's try number 2.
We like classical music very much.
Okay, we like classical music very much, correct? Number 3. What? Number 3. The concert at City Concert Hall. Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, here. The concert was at the concert hall. Okay. All right, so let's continue this one and on Thursday, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good night now, and see you again.
Okay.
Good night.